Hi, my name is Ekanem Orog and welcome to the Fundamentals of Sewing. This course is divided into 20 sections. In section 1, you will learn the basics of sewing. In section 2, you will learn about the tools and materials for sewing. In section 3, you will learn about fabrics and textile. In section 4, you will learn about grain lines and fabric cutting. In section 5, you'll learn the basics of hand stitches. In section 6, you'll learn the types of hand stitches. In section 7, you'll learn the basics of sewing machine. In section 8, you'll learn the fabric cutting techniques. In section 9, you'll learn the basics of ironing. In section 10, you'll learn the machine sewing techniques. In section 11, you'll learn about seams. In section 12, you'll learn how to sew curves and corners. In section 13, you'll learn how to work with a bias cut fabric. In section 14, you'll learn the basics of fabric decoration. In section 15, you'll learn about fabric edge finishing. In section 16, you'll learn about fabric manipulation. In section 17, you learn about hems. In section 18, you learn about buttons, closures, zips, pockets, and plackets. In section 19, you'll learn about garment structures and corsets. In section 20, you carry out some practical exercises on all you have learned with sewing projects for drape dress, wedding gown, jacket and pants, cutout dress, jumpsuit, jean, shirt, and waistcoat. Whether you're a beginner or you simply want to upgrade your fashion design knowledge, the aim of this course is to guide you on the professional techniques in sewing. So, see you in class.